Hi friends, and welcome to brand new episode of Explore. This is not just brand new, but this is very colorful. As I am standing near a very fashionable street, Linking Road, today we are going to talk about fashion fantasies. As you all know, new academic year is starting. 10 people are going to 11th standard and all that jitters, college ko jana hai, new fashion and all. So we are going to tell you about what are the new fashion, new trends mostly girls like to wear and mostly girls should wear in this very hot season, and not very hot but very bright season. Now we are standing in front of a very colorful shop in Linking Road. So we can see many kinds of t-shirts, shirts. We can also see formals here, informals, casuals, and especially the new trend is minions here. We can see here generally it's a boy shop, but today in this world girls also like to shop in boy shop. So let's see what we have for girls. यहाँ पे लड़कियाँ भी आती है क्या?
हाँ आते हैं ना, बहुत आते हैं।
कितने आती होंगी?
काफ़ी ज़्यादा आते हैं क्योंकि सब कार्टून वगैरह सब लेते हैं ना लोग, सुपरमैन, बैटमैन।
तो खुद के लिए भी लेती है ना कभी
खुद के लिए भी लेते हैं ना वो ज़्यादा लेडीज़ ही पहनते हैं।
So now you can see girls also shop in boys shop. So there are no restrictions for us. Although boys cannot shop in girls shop, we can shop here. So let's see now. Here we've got this minion one that is very cute and beautiful. That says what's up. And so which is very likely. So we can ask the rate. यहाँ पे लड़कियाँ बार्गेन भी बहुत करती होगी ना?
हाँ करते हैं, इतने अभी ज़्यादा नहीं होता है, थोड़ा कम हो गया बार्गेन।
अच्छा, तो आप थोड़े थोड़े कर देते हो लड़कियों के लिए?
हम लोग की फिक्स रेट शॉप है।
अच्छा, फिक्स रेट है। तो आप कितने की देते हो अंदाजे?
250।
So we can see the rates 250, 300, quite affordable for college going girls. Now we are standing in front of this very beautiful shop where we can see very casual and party type dresses. That is a very beautiful net jacket which will go on any color as it is black. Black goes on any color and any occasion. And these are very beautiful jumpsuits, colorful and very bright, so that we can wear it in rainy season. And of course in colleges it is very popular nowadays, jumpsuit. And here we have this very bright red color, a nice long top which we can wear on leggings, jeggings, or if is anyone comfortable we can wear it as one piece also. And here in this shop we have nice one piece party wear type like this one. This is a very nice checkered one piece which is very beautiful and it has a very nice neckline of net. Likewise, that is a very beautiful one piece, black and neon type. Neon goes on everyone, and believe me, neon is very cool and neon is in nowadays. And here we have this very nice range of one piece and party wear. This is very cute Hello Kitty top which we can wear in any season. Of course it is full sleeve, so I would suggest you to wear it in rainy season or winter season, but yes, you should try that because it is very cute. And yeah, girls look cute in Hello Kitty theme. And now we are in Linking Road itself and we are covering this beautiful shirts shop. We have this designer shirt, flower wala for rainy season. You know it's very bright in rainy season and we all knew a very fresh stock of our wardrobes. So here we have colorful shirts, and if you want casuals or formals, we have denim shirts also. And here we have a very variety and colorful stock. We have this denim shirt outside and very colorful thing like green, pink, yellow, whatever. So it's like take one denim shirt and many types of inner. So it will be like very affordable for college student. And we have this jumper suits which are very much in trend now. It's like party wear, casual wear, and nowadays offices also allow this kind of jumpsuits. So these are very affordable and trendy kind of thing. So we can very much afford this. Like एक time पे we can buy 2 or 3. We have one denim shirt and 3 colors of inner. So it's like 3 tops in a very affordable rate. After roaming and very much looking to the colorful and very nice range of dresses, tops and everything in Linking Road, now we have come to Hill Road, that is in Bandra itself. So now let's check it out what we've got here. Hello, so now we are in this wonderful shop where we can have every kind of shoe, and as you all know, shoes are best friends of girls. You can do a lot of things with shoes and we have a very wide range of shoes here. we've got this wonderful and colorful ballerina with very wide range, and this is polished material that are kind of costly, but yes, that goes in your office wear and sometimes party wear on one piece or your shorts. And these are alphabet printed sneakers that are very sporty look. You like in on holidays you want to go in Goa, so that all goes in a holiday look. These are kind of pumps and wedges heels. A very wide range of colors we have here. We have here glitter one, and you can see there on the top we have glitter ballerina shoes. Those goes on one piece and party wear. And in that side we have boots and stilettos mixed. So we can wear it on shorts and short skirts, dresses, goes on everywhere. And not only casuals and everything, we have here ethnic wear. So on kurtas, pajamas or weddings or any family functions, we have here great embroidery or studded ethnic wear. We can get a lot of variety here from bottom to up. There's a whole lot range of ethnic wear. And here all these are ethnic wear, and these are flats which we normally wear, which are comfortable and trendy and fashionable. So no issues of comfort or anything. These are kind of heels, but yeah, those are comfortable. So those who want to increase their height but very comfortably, we can wear this. And here we have a wide range of party wear like this. Wow, what a beautiful flower we've got. We've got here floral print, and on the top we've got that cheetah print, that is animal print, which is very in fashion right now. And we've got this nice golden belt boots, and these are wedges which can increase your height. You can wear it on shorts, party wear, one piece, which looks very trendy. And yes, you can make small little girls jealous, because wearing this you can increase your height and you will look tall. And we've got here flats, very formal, like you going down or hang out with friends, like normal chilling time. We can wear these kind of shoes. And of course, nowadays there's a trend that people wear chappals. We've called flats like this flower. We have this spider bug. So we can wear it at home also, which will be very comfortable at home. And these kind of shoes also we can wear to hang out and just chill around. So here we have one of the shopkeepers who own this beautiful range of shoes and every kind of shoe a girl can have. We'll ask him about some new fashion or daily things.
न्यू फैशन ये वैरायटी चल रहा है इस समय मैदान में. अभी तो ये फास्ट बिक रहा है और ये फ्लैट में बिक रहा है. अभी इस समय फ्लैट में फास्ट चल रहा है. ये नया पैटर्न है, दिख रहा है, सामने लगे हैं. ये फ्लैट में है. और बेज हिल चाहिए तो दिखा दूँ. बेज हिल में है, पेंसिल हिल, ब्लॉक हिल, और ये शूज में है, सैंडल टाइप है. ये फ्लैट में है, बेज हिल है, ये शूज है, और ये ब्लॉक हिल है.
आपके पास रेंज कितना है
अंदाज़ा 450 से स्टार्टिंग रेंज है.
तो आपके पास लड़कियां ज़्यादा बार्गेन करते हैं, बहुत कट करते हैं, ऐसे मैंने सुना है बार्गेनिंग में.
वो ज़्यादा करते हैं, यहाँ पे बार्गिंग ज़्यादा करते हैं ये लोग आके.
तो आपको क्या लगता है कि ये सब जो फैशन है, ये सब लड़कियां कंफर्टेबली पहन सकती हैं?
कंफर्टेबल पहन सकती हैं.
ओके, थैंक यू.
Hi guys, I am right now at the Colaba Causeway Market. Wherein we are going to find all the remaining fashion stuff. My friend is kind of very busy right now, busy shopping in Bandra and Hill Road stuff. So I'm going to continue the fashion part. So what are we waiting for? Let's just start and let's just explore the entire thing. So right now we are standing in this cute accessory shop where you could see some ethnic jewelry and as well as you could see some modern kind of jewelry. So talking about ethnic jewelry, शादी का season है यार बॉस, कुछ तो ethnic होना चाहिए. So right from this cute little झुमकास, you have your cuffs and अगर आपको कुछ heavy देखना है, कुछ very kind of pearls में या फिर anything called as metal, so you could see here. And you could buy stuff from here which are kind of very much reasonable and at the same time it will look good on you. At the same time कुछ हाँ कुछ ऐसे नेक पीसेस है जो गाउन्स पे एंड ऑल काइंड ऑफ ऐसे पार्टी वेयर स्टफ पे बहुत अच्छे दिखते हैं. सो see this kind of ornaments look very pretty, and you know, as women are kind of very fond of ornaments and jewelries and everything kind of stuff, so you should definitely come here and buy such stuff and wear on your all kind of basis, like from parties to shadis to everything. So yeah, there are more stuff called as ear cuffs, which are kind of very pretty and cute, which will give you a decent look and you will look kind of very elegant at the same time. So starting up with the bag thing, here we have some very cute backpacks, which are very trendy. Girls can actually get it or carry it with on the casual look. We have a black and white stripped blue denim backpack. Here we have a very punk starry look backpack, which is kind of in trend right now. Apart from that, girls love using handbags. So yeah, handbags will never go out of trend. So you should come here and check out these cool handbags, and you should definitely buy one of them. Apart from that, then here we have some sling bags. So you could wear if you are going for a short date with your friends or anything like that, which will go on every casual trendy look that you have. And yeah, there are so many, hand purses are also something very much that will give you a party look, that will give you a trendy look, and that will never go out of fashion. Or nothing has been left, and these are kind of small cute purses, wallets that we use, that every kind of girl use, and this thing is very much portable at the same time. So you should definitely come here, pay a visit, check out all kind of bags, because you have a lot of variety out here, like from slings, handbags, backpacks, small wallets, everything. So please do come here and just pay a visit and buy all glamorous stuff that you want. Okay, I would like to ask some questions about this place, that is Colaba Causeway. So how do you find the fashion over this place?
It's really nice. I like to buy in the street shops sometimes.
Okay, so you enjoy street shopping here?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, what kind of fashion do you prefer here? Like, ethnic wears or something most probably which is, used here. So what kind of fashion do you prefer?
That depends on what I'm looking for. So I sometimes buy ethnic Indian clothes and sometimes just Western, so it depends.
So do you love Indian clothes?
Yeah, I like to wear them.
Okay, what kind of clothes, Indian clothes, do you prefer? Like kurtas or Punjab salwar suit, kameez or anything like that?
Depends on the reason why I'm wearing it. So in everyday life I usually wear kurtas. Today is Western, but usually kurtas. But yeah, for special functions or something, saris. Depends
Okay, do you
on-
wear sari?
For special functions like weddings, sometimes I do, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Rajni and I just had an amazing day at Bandra while shopping.
Hi, I'm Shivani. I too had a great day shopping at Colaba, and you should really go out for Colaba Causeway, and you should go for accessories, and they are like superb, then they are awesome. You should definitely try them.
So I think for your accessories, I have too many matching jumpers, one piece, and
Oh
of
my
course
God.
you should not forget to buy
I will
heels.
never, I
You
will,
should
I should.
actually try the heels, jumpsuits, and of course for your party wear, they are awesome and very
I'll
beautiful. one
definitely
pieces.
try one of them. So this is the wrap for the show. We'll see you next week with a fresh new episode of Explore. So till then, please keep watching our videos, share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.